Hi guys, it's Chris from Daily Dose of DIY. I help you learn how to use your Cricut machine so that you can make some great things. And today I'm here with your free tip Friday. It's your free tip I give you every week to help you out with the frustrations and struggles that can sometimes come with Cricut crafting. Today I'm going to show you how to cut smaller text. Let's get this going. My daughter wanted this small, that kind of went quick, the little Bible verse on the back of her phone case, right? So I had to make it really small, and after cutting it, it didn't work so well. You can see there's pieces missing and stuff that got caught. So we are going to fix that today. I'm going to show you the fix so that we can cut it without any flaws whatsoever. There's two parts to this fix. So the first one I want you to do is clean your blade. So that we're going to pop our blade out of either your Maker or your Explorer. They both use this blade. And if you depress that plunger on the end, you can see the blade poke out. And sometimes things get stuck there, right? We get glitter, bits of paper, bits of vinyl, and it just needs to get cleaned off. It's super easy to do. Grab yourself a ball of foil. Here comes my foil, I'm pretty sure. There we go. Grab yourself a ball of foil and we're going to depress the plunger and stick the blade into the foil. It's a little bit easier to keep depressed if you use your thumb. Just stick it into that foil quite a few times and make sure we get that blade good and cleaned off. If it happens to pop out, I think if it hasn't already happened, there, it's clean now. I was going to say if it happens, the blade just pops out, go ahead and poke it back in. I know that happened at one point. But then you stick it back into your machine. So that's the first tip. Make sure that blade is clean. If there's stuff on it, it will wreck your either vinyl or paper or whatever you're cutting. So once our blade is clean, we're then, if you're in a Cricut Explorer, go ahead and turn your dial to custom settings. And if you're in a Cricut Maker, you don't have a dial, but you'll browse materials, and that's where it's going to bring you with that Explore and custom settings, right? So once we can browse our materials, type in washi and then hit enter, and that will bring up a washi sheet. We're going to select that, and we're going to cut our regular vinyl on a washi sheet setting. And you'll see that makes the cuts smoother. It still cuts it nice and it cuts it all the way through. But now with a clean blade and with a washi tape setting, it cut flawlessly. So now I can go ahead and get that weeded and get it on the back of her phone. I hope this tip helps you or somebody else you know. Go ahead and share it with your friends if you know they've had this struggle before. And I thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye.